different cases. First we study the first case. Let medium be stationary and source and listener are moving along the same direction. Now this is the source, this is the listener. Source and listener moving along the same direction, along this direction. The arrow shows the same direction of source and listener, and medium is stationary. It means that the velocity of medium cm is equal to 0. The condition is medium is stationary, so that its velocity is 0, cm is equal to 0. Now we know that the equation or expression for apparent frequency n dash is equal to c plus cm minus cl divided by c plus cm minus cs into n. Put the value of cm is equal to 0 in apparent frequency equation, then we have n dash is equal to c minus cl divided by c minus cs into n. This equation shows that n dash apparent frequency, n is natural frequency. Now case second. Source is moving towards stationary observer or listener. S is a source, L is a listener. The condition is stationary listener or stationary observer, so that its velocity is 0, CL is equal to 0. And source is moving with velocity CS. In each case, consider medium as a stationary, so that the condition is Cm is equal to 0. Therefore, the formula for apparent frequency is become n dash is equal to c plus cm minus cl divided by c plus cm minus cs into n. Put the value cl is equal to 0 here and cm is equal to 0. In each case, consider the velocity or medium is a stationary. The velocity of medium is 0. That is, medium is considered as a stationary medium. Therefore, n dash is equal to c divided by c minus cs into n. It shows that n dash is greater than n. Means when source is moving towards the stationary listener, the apparent change in frequency or frequency of sound increases. N dash is greater than n. Case third. When listener is moving away from the stationary source. This is the listener, this is the source. Source is stationary, so that the velocity is Cs is equal to 0. Listener is moving away from the source along this direction. Now the change in apparent frequency become change in frequency or apparent frequency n dash is equal to c minus cl upon c into n. Here Cs is equal to 0 and medium is considered as a stationary. The value of Cm is 0. Then apparent frequency n dash is equal to c minus cl divided by c into n. When listener is moving away from the stationary source, then frequency of sound goes on decreases, so that this n dash is less than n. This is the relation between n dash and n. Change in frequency, that is apparent frequency, decreases when listener move away from the stationary source. Case fourth. Source is moving away from the stationary listener. Here listener is stationary, so that its velocity is 0, Cl is equal to 0, and source is moving away from the listener, the direction of source or source of sound moving away from the listener direction is here, so that its value is negative. Medium is considered as a stationary, so that Cm is equal to 0. The change in apparent frequency or apparent frequency n dash is equal to C plus Cm minus Cl divided by C plus Cm minus Cs into n. Put these values. Cl is equal to 0, Cm is equal to 0 and Cs is negative. Therefore, n dash is equal to C plus C divided by C plus Cs into n. When source moving away from the stationary listener, then frequency of sound goes on decreases. That is, n dash is less than n. N dash less than n. Case 5th. When a listener is moving towards a stationary source, this is the source. Source is a stationary, Cs is equal to 0. Listener is moving towards the source. The direction of listener moving in the direction of source, then its velocity is negative. Cl is equal to negative. Medium is considered as a stationary. Now, apparent frequency n dash is equal to C plus Cm minus Cl divided by C plus Cm minus Cs into n. Put this condition in this equation, then we have n dash is equal to C plus Cl, here negative Cl, then C plus Cl divided by C into n. Above equation shows that when listener moving toward the stationary source, the frequency of sound goes on increases, so that n dash is greater than n. N dash is greater than n. Now, case 6. Source and listener moving towards each other. Source and listener moving towards each other. Listener is moving toward the stationary. Listener is moving towards the source. The velocity of listener is become negative and velocity of source is a positive. Source moving towards the listener. Medium is considered as a stationary. Change in apparent frequency become n dash is equal to C plus Cl divided by C minus Cs into n. When source and listener are moving towards each other, then frequency of sound goes on increases, so that n dash is greater than n. Now, case 7th. Case 7th. Source and listener are moving away from each other. Source velocity is Cs. It move away from the listener. Therefore, its velocity is negative. Listener L, its velocity is Cl. Medium is considered as a stationary. Therefore, change in frequency or apparent frequency n dash is equal to C minus Cl divided by C plus Cs into n. When source and listener are moving from each other, away from each other, then frequency of sound goes on decreases, so that the n dash, this is apparent frequency, n dash is less than n. This is the condition for source and listener are moving away from each other. Now, these are the different 7 cases. We discuss it.